Today we're going to be doing question 15. So let's start reading the question. So they want us to sketch a graph of this given over here on the axis below. So we know that it is a set curve because of the negative in front. And then based on what we have here, our turning points are 2 and 9. So we know that roughly 2 and 9 is somewhere here. So we can just mark out here first. So we can say this is 9 and let me draw it closer to the x-axis. 9 and somewhere here is maybe 2. Okay, so now we want to find out what are our x-intercepts. So to do that, we need to make y equals to 0. So if we make y equals to 0, right? If you work out your answer, if you sub in your y value, you will get x is, my y equals to 0. X will be equals to 5, or x will be equals to -1. So over here will be 5, and over here will be -1. And then if you want to find your y-intercept, you just make your x equals to 0. So if you just sub in x equals to 0, y will be equals to 5. So let's say 5 is somewhere around here. So you just have to draw your curve. So let me attempt to draw it now. So it will be something like that. So it's a little bit iffy, but because I'm using like iPad, but if you draw it on paper, it should be a smooth curve. Yeah, so these are your major important points that you need to draw. Let me just okay, sorry, my pen died, but your curve should look something like that. If you draw it well, it will be a smooth curve downwards lah. Yeah, so this would be your curve and how it will look like. Don't forget to also write in your graph over here.